Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will not miss any of our entertaining videos to take care of your health. This is what the shape of your butt has to say about your health. Your butt does not get nearly as much recognition as it truly deserves. Sure, it looks good in a pair of jeans, but without the gluteal muscles, maximus, medius, minimus, humans would not be able to walk upright or even stand, for that matter. The human backside is truly a prime example of evolutionary perfection, and it has a lot more to say about your overall health if you know what signs to look for. Butts come in all shapes and sizes. But let's get philosophical for a second, and ask ourselves, what does it all mean? It would take someone insanely talented, and probably quite perverse, to reveal your entire destiny from looking at your peachy behind. That isn't us, we're afraid, but we can provide a little insight on what your rear says about your health. What shape is your butt? For those of you that aren't all that familiar with your own butt, find a mirror and give yourself a good staring at. You will fall into one of 4 categories, see the diagram above. The inverted shape, or V shape, is common in women with lower estrogen levels. The heart, or pear, shape has significant fat distribution around the upper thighs. The round shape has fat distribution all around the buttock. Finally, the square, or H shape, has fat distributed evenly up to the love handles. So, what can we tell from your butt? Quite a bit. It's been known for a while that a person's overall distribution of body fat is a great indication of health, but all fat isn't distributed equally. Extra fat in your bum may be a sign of good health. It helps keeps the fatty acids away from the heart, the arteries and the liver to lower your risk of heart disease and other problems like diabetes. This isn't the same for both sexes. Sorry guys, big butts doesn't mean you're healthy. Women are genetically predisposed to store more fat in their lower body than men are. Too much fat, however, doesn't mean you're the healthiest of the healthy. It could lead to hemorrhoids and other issues. You may be lacking of fiber in your diet or sitting too long. Blame your office job where appropriate. A drooping backside can be a sign of weak core muscles, which could affect the arch of your back, and if your hips seem a bit heavier, it could be a signal that there might be some foot problems. If you have a perky bum, then the benefits include increased calorie burn and assistance in osteoporosis prevention. It is also associated with a more spacious pelvic cavity and easier childbirths. People with a flat booty tend to store fat around their midsection rather than the lower body. This fat is more the active kind of fat that is associated with heart disease and diabetes. On the bright side, however, it's much easier to lose than fat on your lower body. So there you have it. Who knew that your bum could reveal so much? If you like the video, and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos.